Hi, today is Friday, May 8th, 2020, and this is Miss Palomino from Highlandtown Elementary Middle School, number 237. This is Middle School ESOL, and we are going to finish talking about the body this week. So yesterday was Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. And tomorrow will be Saturday, May 9th, 2020. The weather in Baltimore. Today, the high temperature will be 58 degrees and the low temperature will be 41 degrees. And today it will rain. So for this activity, you will need a piece of paper and a pencil. And we're going to do another dictation. So on your paper, you will write the date, May 8th, 2020, and the word dictation. We have 3 words today. Voy a deletrear 3 palabras y vas a escribir lo que escuchas. All right, number 1, B, O, D, Y. Number 2, P, A, I, N. Number 3, S, I, C, K. Number 1 is body, body, body. Body significa cuerpo. Body means cuerpo. Number 2, pain, pain, pain. Pain significa dolor. Pain means dolor. Number 3, sick, sick, sick. Sick significa enfermo. Sick means enfermo, enferma. Body, body, el cuerpo. Pain, pain, dolor. Sick, sick. Enfermo, enferma. So our objective today is I can identify internal organs and external organs using a graphic organizer. I can identify internal organs and external organs using a graphic organizer. Yo puedo identificar órganos internos y órganos externos utilizando un graphic organizer. So today we are going to listen, we are going to speak, we are going to read, we are going to write. Al final, we are going to text or email a photo of our work to Ms. Palomino, o si quieren o si pueden, we are going to turn in our work on Google Classroom. Vamos a entregar nuestro trabajo en Google Classroom o por Google Classroom. Entonces, al final, el trabajo debe parecer algo así. May 8th, 2020. Internal organs, 10 internal organs, 10 órganos internos o partes del cuerpo que están adentro del cuerpo, and 10 external organs, 10 órganos externos o partes del cuerpo que están por fuera del cuerpo, que pueden ver. Por ejemplo, el corazón no puedo ver. Si estoy hablando contigo, no puedo ver tu corazón. Eso es un internal organ. Hand, hand, hand. Blood, blood, blood. Significa sangre, blood. Spinal cord, spinal cord, spinal cord. Bladder, bladder, bladder. Veins, 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 bones, 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 fingers, 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 liver, 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 eyes, 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 eyebrows, 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 arteries, 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 lungs, 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 thumbs, 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 heart, 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 brain, 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 lips, lips, lips. Lips significa labios. Lips mean labios. Hair, hair, hair. Ears, ears, ears. Hair, ears, hair, ears. Back, back, back. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Ok, entonces utilizando estas palabras, ¿cuáles son internal organs y cuáles son external organs? So 10 internal organs, 10 external organs. Take a photo of your work o pueden entregarlo por Google Classroom and send the photo to Miss Palomino by email or by WhatsApp. And if you have questions, want to talk, you can call or text Miss Palomino between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. All right, that's it. Hágame saber si tienen algunas preguntas, but have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you again on Monday.